Welcome to Future Human Science. Today, we're diving into the transformative world of 3D printing, a technology that's reshaping industries from manufacturing to medicine. Known for its ability to create complex objects from digital models, 3D printing is revolutionizing how we design, produce, and even heal. Let's explore how this cutting-edge technology is making waves and what the future holds. 3D printing, or additive manufacturing, is a process where objects are built layer by layer from a digital design. Unlike traditional manufacturing methods, which often involve cutting away material from a larger block, 3D printing adds material only where it's needed. This approach allows for the creation of intricate designs and structures that would be difficult or impossible to achieve with conventional techniques. In manufacturing, 3D printing is bringing about significant changes. One of the major benefits is the ability to rapidly prototype and produce custom parts. Designers and engineers can create and test prototypes quickly, reducing development time and costs. This is particularly valuable in industries like automotive and aerospace, where innovation and efficiency are crucial. For example, car manufacturers use 3D printing to produce lightweight components that improve fuel efficiency and performance. Moreover, 3D printing enables on-demand production, which can reduce the need for large inventories and long supply chains. This is especially useful for producing spare parts or specialized components. Instead of keeping a warehouse full of parts, companies can print them as needed, which can save space and reduce costs. The impact of 3D printing extends beyond traditional manufacturing. In the realm of medicine, this technology is making remarkable strides. One of the most exciting applications is in the creation of custom prosthetics and implants. With 3D printing, medical professionals can produce prosthetic limbs tailored to the unique needs of individual patients. This customization improves comfort and functionality, enhancing the quality of life for those who rely on these devices. Additionally, 3D printing is advancing the field of organ and tissue engineering. Researchers are exploring ways to print human tissues and organs, which could revolutionize transplant medicine. While fully functional printed organs are still a work in progress, there have been significant advancements in creating tissue samples for research and testing, potentially leading to breakthroughs in personalized medicine and treatment. Another fascinating application of 3D printing in medicine is the production of surgical tools and models. Surgeons can use 3D printed models of a patient's anatomy to plan complex procedures with greater precision. This personalized approach helps in reducing risks and improving outcomes during surgeries. 3D printing also plays a role in creating medical implants, such as dental implants and bone grafts. These implants can be customized to fit the specific needs of patients, improving the effectiveness and integration of the implants with the body. The benefits of 3D printing in both manufacturing and medicine highlight its potential to drive innovation and improve efficiency. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more groundbreaking applications and advancements. From reducing waste in production to providing personalized medical solutions, 3D printing is poised to make a lasting impact on our world. If you enjoyed this exploration of 3D printing and want to stay updated on the latest advancements in science and technology, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. We'd love to hear your thoughts on 3D printing. What applications are you most excited about? Share your comments below. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of 3D printing. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of science and technology.